Hi, this is Mike Richardson, owner of Alliance Home Mortgage, and this is your mortgage bond securities update for Wednesday, January 11th, 2012. And I'm going to run through the news really quick before we take a look at the mortgage-backed securities page and see what the current trading activity is. So, regarding the mortgage-backed securities, the current trend direction appears to be sideways long term. And we're currently advising our clients to float with caution as prices are near the ceiling of resistance. Mortgage bonds are trading near unchanged as the market braces themselves for some important auctions here and abroad. At 1 p.m. Eastern, the Treasury will sell 21 billion in 10-year notes. This comes after yesterday's successful 32 billion 3-year note offering. Tomorrow, Spain and Italy will sell 17 billion in euro debt, and that will catch the eye of the markets. Until Germany agrees to the ECB playing a bigger role in the crisis by allowing money printing to purchase sovereign debt, the markets will continue to float in this uncertain, frustrating, and risky environment. What may prompt the ECB to act quicker and more definitively will be a further increase in the bond yields in Europe. Hopefully, we hope to see the ECB do something before the euro bond market forces a disorderly action. Stocks have been on a nice run, but technically prices are fighting a tough ceiling of resistance at 1292 on the S&P 500. The last time stocks were at this level, prices fell rather sharply. It'll be interesting to see how stocks fare with risks elevating in Europe. If stocks push higher above this resistance, we could see some pressure on our bonds, and of course vice versa if stocks move lower from here. We are floating currently, but carefully, as bonds hit smack on its own ceiling of resistance a couple of days ago, prompting a negative stochastics crossover. This means we could see some more downside follow through in bonds. On a technical positive note, mortgage bonds remain in both a long-term sideways trend as well as an intermediate trend higher. So let's go ahead and hop on over to the bond page and take a look at the current activity. So currently we're up 13 basis points, but as you can see, it's been pretty flat all day long. The last couple of days, you can see the trend is the prices will go up to the ceiling of resistance, and then they're not able to sustain it, so they're reversing back down. This is the negative crossover that we're talking about, the stochastics crossover that occurred a couple of days ago, and this is right in line with let's see, Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Monday's trading range that we saw. And this is what we're concerned with, is this ceiling of resistance. It just does not see that prices are able to increase above that. And we don't want a trend direction to the downside that occurred back in October when prices lost about 200 basis points. So we're keeping a close eye on that, and that's why we state that our advice is to be cautiously floating at this time as we watch the information come out of Europe and watch the stock market here. So that's the mortgage-backed securities update currently. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Our number is 530-410-0263 or toll free 877-418-8225. And you can email me at mike@ahmloans.com. Have a nice day. We'll talk to you later.